Hello. All of us want our lives to manifest in a certain way. And I look at it from a very holistic perspective, whether it is the nature of work that I want to do, whether it is the kind of place that I want to stay in, kind of people that I want to connect with, what is it that I want to do for society, and so on and so forth. When you look at life from all these angles, that is when you start creating your life holistically. And all of us have some vague idea about how do we want to create our life experiences. Now, today, what I'm going to share with you are 3 steps which are going to help you to create your life the way you actually want, the way you actually desire. It will give you absolute clarity so that you can actually start moving towards the life that you want to live. Let us look at each one of these steps a little more in detail now. The first one is conceive. This means that you need to first have clarity, absolute clarity about what kind of life that you want. Earlier I said that we have a vague idea about what kind of life do we want. But if you want to manifest the way you want to experience your life, you need to have absolute clarity. And that is where the ability to conceive your thought process, in your thought process, what is the kind of life that you want will help you. We are all blessed with tremendous creative energy, and this is the blessing, this is the strength that we must learn to leverage. If you just examine the way your mind functions, you will notice that your mind can see anything even without it being in existence in front of you at a given point of time. Let's do this experiment right away. Close your eyes and think of a red rose. So, were you able to see red rose? I'm sure you must have been able to see that. This is the ability that we need to leverage. Now, when I'm saying conceive, the first point, it means that start looking at different aspects of your life and ask yourself, what is the kind of experience you want to create for yourself in that specific area? Whether it is the way you are as a person, as a human being, what kind of a person you want to be over a period of time, start visualizing. Kind, humble, loving, caring, and so on. Then examine another dimension, what kind of relations that you want to have. Your family relations, your social relations, your professional relations, what kind of conversation, what kind of networks that you want to experience. Think of that and you will start getting clarity. Next important point is, in terms of your professional growth, where do you see yourself? Start asking yourself, what is the kind of work that you would like to do? Ask yourself, what is the kind of people that you would like to work with? Ask yourself, what is the kind of contribution that you would like to make at work? And you'll start getting much more clarity over a period of time. Next important point, look at your finances, look at your financial security, look at your assets. Look at them with eyes closed and you will start getting clarity. What is it that you want? Now, when you start doing this first time, you will not have absolute clarity. But as you keep on doing it again and again, to reach a certain point of clarity, you'll need to go through that exercise. And once you get that clarity, start visualizing it again and again so that it starts going deeper into your subconscious to help you to manifest that. Second important step is believing. This is something very important in the process of creation, because whatever you thought of at the first stage of conceiving, it will start manifesting only when you have a belief that it is possible. What is a belief? To simplify, belief is nothing else but a thought that you hold whether something is possible or not possible, whether something can be done or cannot be done, whether something will happen or will not happen. This is what determines what actions that you take, with what intent do you take those actions. If you have empowering beliefs, you will be committed to take those actions. You will be committed to take those actions till you are able to experience those results. But if your beliefs are limiting, your efforts will become half-hearted right from the word go. And tell me, what kind of results do you foresee with half-hearted efforts? Obviously, they will never meet your expectations, they will never satisfy you. That is why with effort, with consistent effort, your beliefs need to become unflinching beliefs, so that the moment you start doing any action, start taking any action towards what you want to experience, you start with a total faith that things are going to work out for you. That is when you will start experiencing that you are inviting opportunities in your life. That is when you'll notice that events and situations that occur in front of you, they start supporting you in terms of what you want to accomplish in your life. Belief needs to be absolutely strong, and it can be made. It can be made. That is what is important to understand. Even though whatever your belief may have been in the past, whatever your belief may have been formed because of your upbringing and background, it can always be transformed with efforts. And the last thought is achieve. Whenever we talk about the word achieve, it means that you are experiencing those results. Now, the journey that needs to be traveled from a strong belief to achieve is the effort that you put in. And this effort needs to be very consistent. This effort needs to be constant. This effort needs to be in the direction where you want to go. And how do you figure out whether you are moving in the direction of achieving or not? When you continuously review what you are doing on a day-on-day basis, that is when you will be actually moving towards achieving. Another important step that comes in between is when you start examining in the process of review as to where your time is getting invested, what are the kind of distractions which are influencing your life. That is when you will start noticing that you start putting in efforts in the right direction. Again, it's a constant process of learning that you go through in the journey of your achievement. So ask yourself, on all the stages that I've shared with you, conceiving, believing, and achieving, what do you need to tweak today? What do you need to change today so that you actually start moving towards where you want to go in your life? Only then you will have a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment in your life. You will believe that this is the life that I wanted to live all the time, and who has ultimately created it? It will be entirely your effort, because mind is yours, actions are yours. Only thing is, the whole process of creation starts supporting you because you believed right from the beginning that it is possible. I wish you all the best. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.